Hey YouTube, so today I'm going to be doing my summer bucket list, and I have here a sheet of note paper, and I'm hoping that I can stay in the frame in this video because my last video the pages were all over the place. And then I have a bunch of sticker books here. So I have the seasonal mini sticker book, and I also have the big seasonal or the classic size seasonal sticker book. I have the dates and holidays happy memory keeping book. I have the fun kid book, and I also have the new seasonal sticker book. So if you want to see how I create my summer bucket list, just keep watching. Okay, so my favorite bucket list pages are actually in this happy memory keeping book, and the summer bucket list is right here. So we have these two, and then we also have in the seasonal sticker book the page that says summer bucket list. That's spring. This one. So these are the three like summer bucket list kind of pages that MAMBI offers. So I'm going to start by looking, and I actually want to use things that I know I'm actually going to do, like summer vacation. I think I like this summer bucket list the best, and I want to put it in the middle of the page. This one has like go to water park. I like this 4th of July the best. Yeah, so I'm gonna put up here summer vacation. Because, again, I'm still in dates and holidays. I know I'm going on a summer vacation, so I'm going to put that here at the top. And host a barbecue. We're going to put that down here on the bottom. And I think one of these has something about a bonfire. No, they all have a barbecue. I thought I saw something. Oh, here it is. This is in the new seasonal. It says have a bonfire, and that's why I grabbed the fun kids book, because they had some fire stickers in here that I loved. And I'm going to take one of these and I want to put it up here. And inside that space there, I want to put this summer bonfire sticker. I think I want to cut the bottom. Flat. And lay that there like that. I really like how that looks. I want to do the same for the barbecue, but I think that might be too much. So next we're gonna do make s'mores. I know there's a few s'mores ones. And I'm gonna cut the top and the bottom of this one. I'm going to put that over here. It's not straight. I'm going to kind of turn my page on its side so I can see the line I want to lay it on. Put it there. I guess I just didn't cut it straight either, which is... it's okay. Life goes on. I'm going to take some of these stickers from the mini seasonal. I'm going to take this one. It's like a little hot dog kind of thing. And I'm going to put that next to host a barbecue. I'm going to cut the little excess off the page. We'll do that last because I'm not sticking to anything yet. 4th of July. So we have a few options, and I just really love this new seasonal sticker book. So we're gonna take the fireworks watch party from the new seasonal. We're gonna use that one. And we're gonna put that one here. I'm gonna do summer playlist. I'm going back to dates and holidays. I think I'm gonna take everything I want out of dates and holidays first. I'm gonna take out this this road trip thing sticker, and we're gonna put that down here because I'm hosting a barbecue, but I'm also going on a road trip at the same time. So we'll put the little like checkbox right there. The same thing with this soak up some sun. I'm gonna put that next to the summer vacation one because I just feel like they just go together. I'm gonna just stick that right there, hanging off the side of the page. And now we're gonna cut off the excess. Right there. And that one. In this boys book, I feel like there was a sticker that mentioned the zoo. So I pulled out this fun kids sticker book because I thought there was something about going to the zoo in here. But I actually stumbled across these hot dogs and this hamburger. So I'm going to take both of these and I'm going to put them down here by the barbecue sticker. So we have our hot dogs, our hamburgers, our sausages, and we're having a barbecue. I'm going to put that there. And I think the zoo might have been on one of these spring bucket lists. But I know I'm going to do that this summer. So that's just a way to say that sometimes there's things that people label. Here's one. Pick fresh berries. It's labeled as a spring bucket list, but it's something that I know I'm going to do this summer. So why not take it from there and put it over here? So we're going to put it down here, pick fresh berries. I'm going to put that next to road trip too because that's just another time that we're definitely going to go on a road trip in order to pick berries because there is no berries where we live. So, and we're going to take these strawberry stickers from the mini seasonal and we're going to lay that right there. And there's another strawberry sticker. Just gonna lay them right there. So I'm looking at this to see if there's anything else. I might come back and grab these two. Family game night and go on an epic date. But I want to see if there's anything in these books that I like better. So, it's winter. Here's the visit the zoo sticker I was talking about, and that was on the spring bucket list. So we're gonna put that over here. And let's see if there's any animals in this kids book. I don't remember seeing any, but we're just gonna check. Might be some animals somewhere. No animals. I know the girls' book has like unicorns, but I mean unicorns aren't real animals, so we'll pass on that one. And go back to our summer bucket list. Oh, next to this zoo one, let's go visit the aquarium because we're gonna do that too. So we'll visit an aquarium, and that'll kind of be our little cluster over here. So let's look at, and I think what I'm gonna do with the leftover stickers on these is make a another one in my mini planner. Like, look at this. Look for rainbows. I have to take that one because you can so do that in the summer. And go on a picnic, because I'm sure by the time next year comes and I'm doing a spring bucket list, I'll probably just buy another sticker book if I want those stickers that bad. So we'll put go on a picnic up top here next to the bonfire, because maybe we can have a bonfire next to the picnic. So let's go back to dates and holidays. I want to grab the Visit the Farmer's Market sticker and add that one down here. I'm going to go for a bike ride. I'm going to put that over here. And let's do the summer playlist sticker and put that with the barbecue. Can it fit? No. Maybe right here? These are kind of like too close together. Let's do it down here. Let's do this splish splash at the water park. And put that over here. Let's do that over here, because these are all kind of like places to go. And the last one I want to put from this one is go to an outdoor movie, because that's definitely something I want to do with my daughter. And they do like kids movies in the park where we live. And I think that'll be great. So I think that's all I'm going to pull from this, the Happy Memory Keeping book. Let's look one last time. And I didn't even look at the big seasonal book. But I think, yeah, that page I completely. So let's go back in the mini and see if there's any small things. I kind of want to put something in this space up here. And we didn't use a lot from this one. So I think we'll do the go on an epic date. Try to make the sticker straight. That's not straight at all. And let's put some of these pineapples and watermelons around the page. Put this one here off on the side. And then we can cut him off and put the rest of him somewhere else. The rest of Mr. Pineapple. I don't know, maybe I shouldn't have cut him in half, because I really don't have a place to put him. We'll stick him down here. He'll be coming out of the rings. And let's take some of these lemons. I think I'm gonna put a watermelon up there. Put the lemon over there. And the watermelon up here. And I think that looks pretty good. I think that's an awesome summer bucket list. And I think I used all the stickers. Let's check the spring bucket list in the mini and see if there's anything. It said a lot of these. I never put go on a picnic, and I know we'll do that. Let's put that one down here. And then we can take the ants from the summer bucket list. And that was my sticker book falling. And let's put them up the side here. Going up to the berries. And I want to put one of these drink stickers next to summer vacation. Is it gonna fit? If we don't put it there, let's put it with our so many circles over there. Put it up here. And I think I don't have it. If I had it close enough, I would grab one of those drinks from the food sticker book, but I don't have it here. Let's look. Some of these summer pages. And see, here we go. To that. Well, umbrella's gonna get cut off. Let's put them here then. And let's do some popsicles. And let's put a sandcastle on here. Do we have space for a sandcastle? There's nothing like related to the beach on here. All right, I think that we are done. I don't want to put too much, but I really want to put one of these flamingos, but I don't see a space to put a flamingo. So let's just leave it at that. Oh, the sunshine and summertime sticker would have been great, but there's no place to put it. So this is going to be our summer bucket list. And if you have a lot of things, you can always turn this over and put it on the back. But what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to leave this in my planner, and on the back I think I'm going to do like memory keeping and put pictures of us doing like these different kinds of things and stick this in like a memory planner or save it, you know, so that I can put it to look back on later. So if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more bucket lists, we have fall and winter left this year, then definitely subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell button so that you're notified when videos get posted. And if you want to see like an after the pen or just add the little check boxes, you can always check out my Instagram, which is linked down below. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next video. Bye.